Hi, today I have Samsung Galaxy XCover 7 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have a connect with internet but your game on your Google Play Store are not visible and you don't know how to fix it. First step to do that is go back to the main menu of your Google Play Store and tap on our photo on the right corner, where we choose Settings, Family and Parental Controls. There we have page 3 right now. To fix it, to fix our problem we need to change it by tap there and set maybe page 16, page 18 or allow are including underrated. We can press that, confirm by understand and save. We can also turn off our parental control by switch off, and we can go back and try search something as Mobile Legends game again, and it is visible right now and we can install it. That's all, thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!